Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a quick presentation on an AC circuit, specifically the LC configuration for tuning. Enjoy. I want you to observe what happens if I lower or increase this value. Now that's going to be important in case you want to create a tuner of some form, right? Let's lower the resistance and see what happens, which means now what's going to happen is most likely this curve will flatten, okay, a little bit. So let's go ahead and put 1 ohm. Now I can't put really 0 here, but I'm just going to put 1 ohm. Let's run this again. And okay, to run it, you're just going to have to do this. Let me make it a little bigger. And now we're going to select the output again, which is this one right here. There you have it. Now let's look. Voila. You have a nice, kind of a larger bandwidth in which the impedance right here is pretty much the same for a certain range from here to here. Okay? Then it drops off. Great. So can we narrow this? Can we really narrow this? Sure. Now remember with 10 what we did. So let's go ahead and do a factor of another 10. So 100 this time. And let's look at our graph and see what happens. Okay. So I'm going to run this again. Make this a little bigger. Let's see what it would look like as I sample the output. And there you have it. Okay? So we have a dramatic shift of the angle right here at 0. It's specifically when you reach the peak. That's the resonant frequency for this circuit. Okay? All right, well, let's increase it even more. Let's make it 1,000. 1 kilo ohm. Right? Let's run this again. Let's see how that curve or that bell curve reshapes itself. So I'm going to just select the output here. And there you have it. Okay? So again, the angle shifts. So let me just go ahead and put some grid. The angle shifts right. That means it reaches 0 right at this maximum. And this maximum here happens to be 1.6 or 1.59 kilohertz. Okay? Good. So this is a typical circuit used for tuning.